Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you this cute minion. And for this picture we need only 3 felt pens, black, yellow and blue. Firstly, I take black felt pen and I start my drawing from the bottom right corner of the picture. From this box I skip 7 boxes to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I should paint over 3 boxes horizontally to the left. I am drawing one leg. Here we should paint over 4 boxes, like this, square. Now from this box skip 2 boxes to the left and painting 3 boxes horizontally here. And 4 boxes square we should color here. From this box go up and now go to the left, mark 3 boxes. From this box go up and go to the right and mark 3 boxes. And now from this box to this box we should paint over a long line. From this box go diagonally to the left and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left and painting over 4 boxes up. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 2 boxes one by one. Go diagonally to the left and coloring 4 boxes vertically up. And here 3 boxes vertically. From this box skip 1 box up and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes horizontally to the right. Now go up here and we should paint over 9 boxes up. Turn into the right diagonally and color in 1 box. From this box go diagonally to the right, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right, color in 4 boxes up. Go diagonally to the right and color in 2 boxes one by one. Go diagonally to the right and color in 4 boxes up. And here 3 boxes vertically. From this box skip 1 box up and color in 1 box. Here go diagonally to the left, color in 2 boxes to the left, horizontally. And now 9 boxes up, vertically. From this box go diagonally to the left, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left and we should paint over all these boxes to this box. From this box skip 1 box up, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right, color in 1 box. Skip 1 box to the right, color in 2 boxes up here. And 1 box diagonally to the left here. From this box skip 2 boxes to the right, color in 2 boxes up. 1 box diagonally to the right. From this box skip 1 box to the right, color in 1 box. And 1 box diagonally to the right. From this box skip 2 boxes down and color in 3 boxes horizontally to the right. From this box go diagonally to the right, color in 4 boxes vertically here. Here go diagonally to the right and down and color in 4 boxes horizontally. Go diagonally to the right, color in 4 boxes up. Here 4 boxes horizontally. From this box skip 1 box to the right and color in here 2 boxes horizontally. Skip 2 boxes to the right and color in here 3 boxes horizontally. From this box skip 2 boxes down and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left and color in here 3 boxes to the left horizontally. Now from this corner go diagonally to the right and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right, color in 3 boxes down. Turning to the left, color in 1 box here. From this box skip 1 box up and color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and down, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the right and down and mark this box. Now from this box, go diagonally to the left, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left again and color in 3 boxes down. And turning to the right, here color in 1 box. From this box, skip 1 box up, color in 1 box. Go diagonally to the left, color in 1 box here. And go diagonally to the left, mark this box. And now we should color these boxes horizontally. From this box, skip 2 boxes to the left and color in 2 boxes vertically here. Skip 2 boxes to the left, color in 2 boxes vertically here. 2 boxes horizontally here. And 2 boxes horizontally here. Now I take blue felt pen and color in all these boxes by blue. Now I take yellow felt pen and color in all these boxes by yellow. That's all, I finished my drawing, and as you see it's very simple pixel art picture and you can draw it very quickly. If you enjoyed my video on this drawing, please give me your likes under the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!